Hello, myself Deshmukh Kiran, MSc Second Year Botany. So my topic is the Human Genome Project. So also known as the HGP. HGP stands for the Human Genome Project, and in this Human Genome Project, which is a HGP, we have to understand few things. And this first we should understand the human being have a first we should understand the human being have a cell, and that is human cell, and such type of million number of cells we have. Such each cell contains one nucleus and is called as the controller of a cell. So inside the nucleus, the nuclear material or genetic material is present. It is called as the nuclear genome. So what is gene and the genome? First we should understand what is gene. Gene is a small segment of DNA and a part of DNA, and in this DNA synthesis some enzymes and proteins it code for a further particular RNA. So the gene was coined by a Johnson in 1909. So next one is the genome. Genome is an organism of complete set of genetic instruction. So genome implies a complete collection of an organism of genetic material. So the term is a combination of gene and a chromosome. So term genome was coined by Hans Winkler. So next one is the human genome is a complete set of genetic information of the humans. So that is Homo sapiens. The human genome is by far most complex and largest size and length about 6 feet of DNA containing more than 30,000 genes. The DNA material is organized into a haploid chromosomal set of 22 autosomes and one sex chromosome, that is X or Y. So the human genome sequencing, that is 22 autosomes and 2 sex chromosomes. So the size of this sequence of DNA fragments is 250 kb to more than 1000 kb. And so you will see in chromosome size the human genome sequence is 250 kb are in between 1000 kb and more than 1000 kb also. So, what is Human Genome Project? The Human Genome Project was an international research effort to determine the sequence of the human genome and identify the genes that contains. And the US Human Genome Project is a 13-year effort which is coordinated by the Department of Energy, that is DOE, and National Institute of Health. So there is a milestones and history of the HGP. In 1986, the birth of the Human Genome Project, and in 1990, project initiated by joint offer of US Department of Energy and the National Institute. In 1994, Genetic Pay Act as a regulate collection and analysis, storage and use of the DNA samples and genetic information. Wellcome thus joined the project founder to sense much of the genome. In 1999, compound of the sequence of chromosome, that is 22, and the first human chromosome to be sequenced. So next one is the goal of Human Genome Project. First is to identify the all genes in the human DNA. Next one is to develop genetic linkage map of human genome. Third one is to obtain physical map of human genome, and to develop technology for the management of the human genome information. The fifth one is to know the function of genes. And next is the determine the sequence of 3 billion chemical base pairs that make up the human DNA. And next one is the store this information in public databases and develop tools for the data analysis. And last one is the transfer related technologies to the private sectors. So the Human Genome Project is a mega project as requirements are huge. It is cost of sequencing required in US 53 base pairs, and the estimated cost in being the total estimated cost of the project would be approximately 9 billion US dollars. If the obtained sequence were to be stored in typed form and in books, if each page of book contained 1000 letters. So information of DNA sequence from the single human cell. The enormous data is stored in high speed computed device for further analysis, and hence new department of biology has developed called as bioinformatics. So it was launched in 1990 and completed in 2003. So the project was coordinated by US Department of Energy and National Institute of Health, and the Wellcome Trust of UK, also major partner, and other countries have also contributed their effort to the project. So thank you.